Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome class 8 in your computer science class. So in the previous class I have just given you the introduction about the computer networking. Now today I'm going to explain you about the design or model used for computer networking. So computer networking is a network of computers and used to transfer files and informations and data, right? So the most common model is called the client server model. This is the most common model used in computer networking, and here you can see this is the client server model. In this model you can see here that there is a central computer. This is the central computer, and this central computer is called server, and the function of this server is that it stores all the information and data, right, and other forms of resources. It stores server stores all the information. Okay, now a computer connected to a network is called a workstation. The workstation is connected to the server in the network are called clients. So clients depends on server for resources, right? See this figure. In this figure all these are the laptops and computers. These all are the clients, and these computer contact the server and request to use data and share its other resources. We can simply say that the computer that request information are called clients, and the computer that provide informations are called server. Clear? So these are the clients and this is the server. It's the use of server, the function of server is that it provides information and data, and the function of clients is that they request server to provide them the information. Okay, now next model is P2P model. Here you can see that this is another common network model, and in this model there is no central server. Each workstation on the network share its files equally with the others. Thus each workstation acts as a client as well as a server. Children, a client server network can be used to connect any number of computers. So it can be used to build large networks. But a P2P network is appropriate only for small business or organization or for homes. So this is P2P model. In this model there is no server. Each workstation act as a server as well as a client. Okay, and they are free to take information or to give any information with each other, so they can equally share its files and information with the others. Computer networking is a fast and convenient means of transferring and sharing information. So there are many advantages of networking computers. On the other hand, there are certain disadvantages and risk of networking computers. So advantages are like, first, files can be stored on a central computer that is on the server and easily shared. This is the first advantage. Second is devices such as laser printer and scanner can be shared. Thus money saves. This saves money, right? Files can be put on a central server and also backed up more easily. The server also provide more storage, and users can access their shared files from any workstation. So these are the advantages. advantages, and the disadvantage is that the cost of setting up a network can be high, especially when a number of computers are to be connected. And expensive devices such as server, router, switches, hubs, so on have to be purchased. If the server breaks down, the files on it become inaccessible, and now no clients would be able to use those files if the server breaks down, right? Viruses and malware can spread easily through a computer network because they all are connected with each other. So it is very easy. The spread of viruses and malware is very easy. There is increased danger of hacking of computer on a network. Hacking is done by someone without the permission of the user to view, copy and create data on their computer. A firewall can be used to prevent such activities. Next is network hardware. A computer network requires specific hardware like network cables. We need network cables for computer networking, network interface card, or NIC, modem, router. First is network cables. Network cables are used to connect one device to another. Coaxial cables and twisted pair cables are two of the commonly used network cables. Next is network interface card or NIC. It is required to connect a network cable to a computer. Most NICs are found inside a computer. Next is modem. Modem stands for modulator demodulator. A modem is a device that converts digital information into analog and vice versa. This is needed for data transmission. A computer can be connected to a modem with the help of cables, or a Wi-Fi network interface card can be connected to a Wi-Fi modem. Wi-Fi is a technology that uses radio waves to provide network connectivity. Modem decodes the signal. It connects directly to the internet. Next is router. Router is used to exchange data across different networks. This device is commonly used to connect different networks. Router splits an internet connections to several devices. Student, what is the basic difference between a modem and a router? See, a modem transmits and receives data through telephones or cable lines and is used to connect a single computer or an entire home computer network to the internet server provider. If you have one computer connecting to the internet, you may not need a router. But if you have several computers, then you need a router. So a router creates a network and allows multiple devices to connect to this network. As you can see in this figure, that the router allows multiple devices to connect to the network, right? The router is physically connected to the modem. So all devices connected to the router can connect to the internet via the modem. So this is the function of the router and the modem. If you need if you have one computer and you want to connect your computer to the internet, then you only need a modem. But if you have several devices which you want to connect to the internet, then you need a router. The use of the router is that it provides internet to different devices. Okay, so today we'll study till here only, and read the chapter till here. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.